I'm performing an inspection. I'm at the front door, the egress door, and I see some steps. Do we need a handrail? Well, according to code, no, because code says 4 or more risers, you need a handrail. So let's count them. 1 riser, 2 risers, 3 risers. So you don't need a handrail according to code. But thank goodness I'm not a code inspector. I'm a home inspector. And what I'm going to do is perform an inspection with code in mind as a standard to give me information to do a better home inspection. But I'm going to give my client information that they need, which is a recommendation to add a handrail, because I know my client needs a handrail, needs assistance to get up the steps. So a handrail is really good for ascending stairs, right? Stabilizing yourself, grasping onto something, pulling on it. Descending is really important. Sometimes they need it on both sides. So how do I know what code is? Do I memorize the whole code book? I could, but I'm a home inspector. I really don't need to. So what I do is, I'll tell you a little trick. I use my mobile software. And while I'm inspecting, I'm looking at the sections that I'm inspecting, and I'm writing my report as I inspect, and I give myself little reminders about code and other things. So let me show you what it looks like. So here's my mobile phone, and I go to the exterior section, and I'm at handrails. At the top of this section about handrails, I have a little reminder. And it's International Residential Code R311.7.8 handrails, and tells me everything I need to know that's important for me about handrails. And so now I use this to my advantage. I carry with me a checklist so I can do great inspections, and if I need a reminder about standards, I have that with me as well.